We'll be starting in 2 minutes. Thank you for joining in. Let's wait once we are live on everything. So we'll be doing the live show on our YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. So already we are live on Twitter and Facebook. Let me welcome everybody. Welcome to the Sky Network show, guys. Thank you for joining in. Let me see if we got the latest update. All right, guys. Yeah, we have it and we are live. Thank you everybody for joining in. Okay, we'll give one more minute for community to join in. Uh, Today's main topic about discussion will be like weekly updates, and also we'll be updating on CoinMask, what happened, why it is not live yet, but how long it will take us to get there. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining in. Meanwhile, let's give one more minute. So I think now everybody is in, and we are good to start. Meanwhile, let me pin this so everybody is able to join us. So, yeah, I think we're good to go. And let's get started, guys. So, how are you doing today? Please do message me on the chat. Feel free to ask your questions. Hello, everyone. I think we'll wait for a couple of more minutes so we have everybody joining in, and then we can start with the updates. So here, I think you guys will be able to see my shared screen where you can see the coin mask. Okay, good. Now we are live on our YouTube as well. So yeah, we are live on our X, Facebook, and YouTube, all three. And main updates which we want to provide today is regarding CoinMask. So here you can see uh, the latest version, which is right now, okay, from the deployment. So this is our version 2, and the way we have built this platform is it is built with it is a modular platform. So basically, everybody can like for example we can add different features going forward. We can remove any features we want, or it is kind of, it allows us an opportunity to give a new user experience, and keep updating our platform, which was not possible with like legacy app like previous mobile application, which is not working anymore. um the way it was, like it took us almost like good 2 months to get everything, the whole data sorted out, and making sure that nobody is getting wronged, and everybody gets their stake, sky, and the rewards. So that is the reason we created this modular approach, where if you I have already hidden, but we can bring them back as well. So that's how we'll be working on it. So right now, you can see that we have, when it comes to trading, we have three options: token swap, token explorer, and manage funds. Out of that, token swap is already fully working in one fully working condition. So for example, if I'll buy 100 Sky worth of W Sky, then you will be able to see it in your this one as well. Okay, sorry. I didn't select it. Okay, yeah. So you'll be able to, see your transaction in the group as well. So in our Telegram group. So that is also one new thing which we built this week, that we have the Telegram bot, which will message for each transactions done on the swap. So, and with this new approach with W Sky, being available on all the networks, I think this is what we will be, promoting the most. So yeah, I think so. If you'll see in the group, I think we should have got the message by now, right? Let me verify it. I think we got the message right. So this thing is working fine. Now next we move towards, so here you can see right now it is the Ethereum charts. And this is one thing which I've been working on, and which was one of the reasons why we didn't had the launch last Monday, last Tuesday. The reason being, see, here you can see the token explorer part, right? This is where we'll be getting the whole decentralized data from our blockchain directly. And in order to get that done, we use something called GraphQL. So with the help of GraphQL, we'll be able to get that. So, but the Graph server is being, kind of synced with our blockchain, right? This is how it looks like. If you have, if you were already using the previous blockchain, previous mobile application, you can simply click on the Connect Sky ID, and you can go through with the, same account verification. You can put your email address, and it just, sends you the code. Once you put the code in, so here you will be able to resend the code like once in a minute. And once you receive the code on your email, for example, let me see if I've already got the code on my email. Yeah, there we go. We do. So for example, when I do this, this is one, this should, oops. eh, yeah. So that this is the one where I'm still working on. Um, this part you can see it is already done. So this is a new code, one more code I generated and got the code. So here you can see that this is, okay, fine. So there's some error, but basically that is working. That is what I was working on. And with that help, person will be able to create new states as well as use different approaches. Like, so that is one more thing which I'm working on. Airdrops are done, events are done, network status and updates both are working fine. So yeah, I think these are the changes. These are the two things which I'm currently still working on. One is on the token explorer, which is already being synced. So once that one GraphQL has synced 100%, I think it should not take more than like 72 hours something for it to sync 100%. And once it is so we'll start getting the token prices here. And once this one more error is solved, we'll be able to start, staking, and we'll be able to put it out for the public. So yeah, guys, I think this is what we have so far. Hope everybody had the. Oh, Mr. Abu got bored. Sorry for boring you. I was on the another other screen, so could not read your messages, guys. So yeah, Kirito, definitely I'm excited for Super X listing. It is coming next week. So stay tuned. Also, guys, we have decided on. Yeah. So one more question from Samsuji. Of course, Samsuji, I'll take your question. But before that, let me answer the Kirito. That yes, of course, we are excited. So other than Super X listing, also we are. So once we are going through the W Sky phase. So for example, like next week will is gonna be really I mean, kind of tedious because Rep Sky also will be working on the bridge. So we are, as you guys know, that we are building the new uh, wormhole bridge. So we'll be working on the bridge as well. Also with the bridge, we are looking out for the onboard, like on-ramp, off-ramp options, which should allow it would make Sky tradable much easier than, going through the exchange route. But in the case of exchange route also, we have decided that, in this next 2 quarters, we want to make sure that we are available on either like, Gate.io or Bitmart or something which is, at least in top 10. And if possible, we will, of course, our goal always will be to reach the top five. But, if we can't reach top five also, we'll try to get it from the now here there's a question from Samsuji. Where does the sky price data come from in CoinMask? Is it from the bridge or from the centralized exchange? So currently, Samsuji, it is coming from the CoinGecko, and CoinGecko fetches the data from Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and La Token exchange, all three together. So depending on the like out of the three, the highest is I think used for like for our bridge operations specifically. But when it comes to with this CoinMask application, with this new GraphQL which I was just talking, right? So this once that is done, the whole data, the Sky price will be calculated with the from the Sky, our own Sky.exchange, right? So our swap itself will be able to, and I think that is the correct price end of the day, right? So that is also something we should that should also change. And with the help of this new version 2 of CoinMask, we'll be able to, resolve that as well. So any other questions, guys? So feel free to ask. So this week updates were like, we got the one Telegram bot done. We still have got these two errors with the CoinMask, which should resolve in like one error should resolve in next 70 hours. And the second error I'm working, probably it should, resolve before that. So we should be able to, you know, put it in the public in the upcoming week, hopefully, with no other new errors. With this two errors, we'll be able to get it done in time. And yeah, it is tough, right? Because see, if you will see this application, I was 90% done on almost like 25 November or 24th November something. And today is 8th February. So just imagine how long it took. And it's not just lack of knowledge or anything like that. See, that's how the technical tasks are, right? Sometimes they get once they get the when they once they get the blockers, it becomes really hard to get around that part. So yeah, but we are making progress, and so far we are doing good. We are will be able to take it to the next level and put it in the public for next week. So our roadmap in next couple of weeks looks like this. Next week we'll have the version 2 of CoinMask. Also next week we will be launching our like we already have launched our Red Sky tokens on all the networks, but we are working on the bridge. So we'll update you on the bridge. So next priority once this is launched, the second priority will be bringing the new bridge on for the community, and the third, which is upcoming in next week, is exchange listing. Also we'll be looking for any more exchange listings as well. We'll keep you guys updated. Also once the bridge is ready, we'll start one by one pair we'll start adding, and with the each pair we'll be adding the liquidity in each network swaps as well. So yeah, I think maybe in next 45 to 90 days, I I think yeah, in 90 days we should be able to, we should be tradable on at least minimum three exchanges and almost 20 to 30 swaps easily. So yeah, that's the goal. And also one more update from the Elevate 5. So we were discuss. So I think last time I shared you guys that we will be working on something. So we are working a deal with one multi-level marketing um, group where they are planning to build a project on secure chain AI SCAI network, where they will be minting like 100 million tokens. And but what they want to do is they want to, back it with 100 million SCAI, and they want to create a SCAI backed token and use it for their network, like for their network, and there will be staking, and they have quite a, I mean, they already have a huge network where they have almost, I think, more than 3,000 members, something. And I mean, sorry, 3,000 leaders. Again, I don't understand the MLM language, so pardon me. But yeah, so that is something we are working on, and Elevate 5 is taking shape. We'll, keep updating the community on the way. But that is one thing which is, you know, happening very soon. So yeah, one second, let me check if they have got their website up or something, then I'll be able to, show you around, guys. Or at least if it is up, then I'll be able to show you their white paper. Mm, up, not yet. So let the team reveal that instead of me doing it here. But yeah, these are very good people, guys. So far we have verified them, tried to get the and also the liquidity which gets which will be secured by that project and put it in on the project, that will also be burnt, like the LP tokens will be burnt. And so like that, we are trying to make sure that as much as we try to take care of our community, and with the help of Elevate 5, this W Sky going, multi-network, and with our new wormhole bridge, and this new staking ready with the, liquidity staking and regular Sky staking, both options available. I think we are making a good and solid progress. Yeah, please, give us a little bit more time. I know that you have been great bearing me, but yeah. Will the team showing some AI products before listing in new centralized exchange? Yeah, Kirito. Maybe we can. Actually, guys, then you will say that, I keep promising but don't complete my promises. Okay? Work itself is like that. It can take time. So, but anyway, going forward, right now, let me do this where we are build. Okay, I'm personally building something which is an AI, of course, which is built on top of DeepSeek and ChatGPT API as well as it has our own secure chain AI model, which does you remember the smart contract security audits, right? So the same thing which we are, I mean, building to actually come up with a platform where a user can create, deploy, and manage smart contracts and their Web3 projects in total. So something like that we are, I mean, that is what is happening right now. So, okay. Yeah. So like that, I'm working on that. So let me see if I can show you guys. Would love to. But that UI is not ready yet. Mm, but I've been working on something. But the UI should look like Bolt.new, those who are around it, right? It should look it should be somewhat similar to that. Right now, okay, I don't have it with me on this laptop, otherwise I would have shown you. But yeah, so of course, Kirito will be showing the AI products before the listing, not sure, but during the listing, 100%. Yeah. This is like because it's only 1 week, right? So my priorities are fixed. First is version 2 of CoinMass, then comes the wormhole bridge, and then comes the CI product. I mean, that's how it will be. And meanwhile, we have Elevate 5 as well. So after this one, Elevate 5 will also take some of my time because I need to be guided. I want to be there to guide the team. So the project is not owned by anybody from the Secure Chain AI core team, but it is owned by the people who are successful in what they do, which is like they are very good at creating the leaders and creating the market. So yeah, thank you very much. I think yeah, we are good to go. Thank you everybody for joining in. I think I'm sorry, Abu, that you found it boring, and we'll try to make it much more entertaining, entertainment if possible in the next round. So we'll see you everybody on next Saturday, 2 p.m. UTC. And thank you very much for everyone joining in. Let me take this time for all those people who have joined us. Thank you for taking this time out. And let me reiterate one more time that my priorities are fixed. Version 2 of CoinMask is on super top priority. Uh, we are expecting it to be available in public uh, post 72 hours. So that would be like on Tuesday or after Tuesday. The second priority is wormhole bridge. So where you will be able to, bridge your assets from Sky to W Sky on any network, like all the networks which are available, all EVM networks which are available right now. Okay, going forward, we'll also take in Solana and other networks, but not for now. For now, we'll only stick to EVM networks. The third is so once these two things are done and our W Sky is running good, we are already available on two more exchanges. I think that is what is near-term goals. So yeah, if you anybody has any question, feel free to put it in the chat and I'll be happy to reply. I will give one more minute. So anybody who wants to, add the chat can do it. And then we'll, go for the closing remarks. By the way, let me share the CoinMask QR. All right, guys, also do download on Play Store and make sure to put a review on Play Store. It will be helpful for our community only end of the day. So yeah, I think no more questions. Everybody, I hope everybody got the answers. Thank you. Have a great weekend and wishing everybody a productive week ahead. We'll see you everybody on next Saturday. Till then, have a good day.